How to Bind a Book with Mr. O'Sullivan. You're going to need some materials. To start, you'll need some tissue paper or wrapping paper, 2 pieces of white computer paper, 2 sides of a cereal box, a pair of scissors, masking tape, and a glue stick. First, start by putting the cereal box on top of the tissue paper or wrapping paper, whatever paper you have. You're going to want to put the blank side down. So that your cover doesn't have the cereal box showing through. Next, put glue on the blank side of your cereal box. Again, put the blank side down with the glue and push it against the paper. Now that it's stuck, you're going to want to cut about an inch border around the piece of cereal box. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't throw out any of your wrapping paper. You'll need it for the other piece of the cereal box later. Now, you're going to want to cut the corners off of the wrapping paper. Once your corners are cut off, you're going to fold the wrapping paper over on the cereal box. But first, put some glue down so it sticks. Do this for each piece of the wrapping paper. Now your wrapping paper is stuck to your cereal box. Turn it back over, take your computer paper, and measure it to fit the side of your cereal box. If you have to cut some extra off, bend the extra portion, open it, and then cut it off with your scissors. Once you have it measured and cut, then you could glue it to the back to cover up any of the cereal box logo. And there you have it, the front cover of your book. Repeat the steps for the back cover of the book, using the same paper. Now it's time to glue your story in. Take your computer papers with the story on it. On the inside edge, the edge that goes inside the book, put a thin layer of glue. Glue each page back to back. Just a thin layer will do it. Once you've layered and glued all your pages together, you're going to have to masking tape your front and back covers together. Take your masking tape, measure it the length of the spine of your book. Cut it off, tape it to the front cover, then turn your book over, making sure the edges are the same and equal, and fold the tape over so that your front cover is now taped to your back cover. If there's any extra tape on the edge, you can cut it off. Open the book and tape the spine from the inside as well. This keeps your front cover firmly attached to your back cover. Take the pages up from your book, the ones you just glued. Measure them to fit the inside of the book. Make sure the pages don't go over the edge of your covers. Now take your glue stick, and on the same edge that you were gluing the pages together, glue the back page to the back cover. Now, all your pages are stuck inside your book. Make sure it's completely dry before you shut the book. And there you have it, your own book with your own story. Good luck!